Choosing between Android and iOS in 2025 comes down to your preferences, priorities, and how you use your smartphone. Here's a breakdown to help you decide which platform is right for you. I remind you to subscribe and like my channel. 1. Customization and flexibility. Android still leads in 2025. For customization, you can change launchers, icons, widgets, default apps, and even install custom ROMs. Offers a wide variety of devices from brands like Samsung, Google, OnePlus, Xiaomi, etc. iOS improved slightly in customization with iOS 18, e.g., lock screen widgets, app library tweaks, still more closed and uniform in look and feel. Great for users who prefer simplicity over flexibility. Go Android if you want full control and device variety. 2. Ecosystem integration. iOS. Deep integration with other Apple devices, Mac, iPad, Apple Watch, AirPods, Apple TV. Features like handoff, AirDrop, universal clipboard, and FaceTime across devices work seamlessly. Android. Google's ecosystem, Chromebooks, Pixel Watch, Nest, is catching up. Samsung's ecosystem is strong for Galaxy users, not as universally integrated as Apple's ecosystem. Go iOS if you're already in the Apple ecosystem or want seamless device continuity. 3. App quality and updates. iOS. App developers often prioritize iOS for updates and new features. More consistent app quality and design. Faster OS and security updates for all supported devices, usually 5+ years. Android. Quality can vary across devices and manufacturers. Google Pixel and Samsung offer strong update support, but other brands may lag. More freedom to sideload apps and access alternatives to the Play Store. Go iOS for app quality and long-term support. Android for app freedom and variety. 4. Hardware variety and price. Android. Huge range of devices from budget to premium. Flagships like Galaxy S24 Ultra and Pixel 9 Pro push tech innovation, AI, foldables, etc. iOS. Limited to iPhone models, e.g., iPhone 15, 15 Pro Max. Higher starting price, though older models like iPhone SE offer budget-friendly options. Go Android if you want options at every price point or foldable phones. 5. Privacy and security. iOS still leads in privacy with app tracking transparency, on-device processing, and minimal data collection. Frequent security patches. Android improved with Android 14 or 15 and Google's AI-powered security scans. Still more fragmented due to inconsistent manufacturer update cycles. Go iOS if privacy and security are top priorities. 6. AI and smart features. 2025 trend. Android. Google and Samsung lead with AI integrations in the keyboard, photos, calling, summarization, and personal assistance. Gemini and Samsung's Galaxy AI are standout features. iOS. Apple Intelligence expected to debut with iOS 18, Siri overhaul, generative AI features. Playing catch-up but tight integration could be a win for Apple fans. Go Android for cutting-edge AI now. Wait for iOS 18 if you prefer Apple's ecosystem. Verdict: which one's right for you? Your priority, best choice customization, and variety Android ecosystem, and continuity iOS cutting-edge AI features. Now, Android long-term software support, iOS budget options, Android privacy and security, iOS,